Genital swelling. I know it's a very difficult and sometimes frustrating topic, but I'm going to talk about it in today's video, and I'm going to share with you my 3-step process that I use to help manage genital swelling for my ladies and my men. I'm super excited to share with you some of the tools that are in my toolbox that I want to share with you today. Welcome everybody, I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. Welcome to my channel. I am very eager to dig into our conversation today, our topic specifically about genital swelling. I know it's a conversation that nobody ever wants to have. I know you probably don't want to have this with your friends, family members, and your doctor. But here's the deal. It does happen, and I'm going to share with you a very easy 3-step process to manage genital swelling today. So first, I want to kind of drill down into the typical type of cases that I work with. I am not only a naturopathic physician, but I also have specialty and credentialing as a lymphatic therapist. I deal with all different types of swelling cases and conditions, and very often post-surgically, scar tissue buildup, poor lymph flow, diet, infections, those can all be factors behind genital swelling, and it can be very uncomfortable. It can be very embarrassing. It can be very unsightly for yourself. You just don't want to even look down there. And then also it can be very disruptive to your day-to-day life and even your sexual health. So I want to dig into the first step. First step is to grab a dry skin bristle brush. I'm going to share with you these videos. These give you a step-by-step guide, and I have a free download that kind of drills down on how to dry skin brush your body. But the trick on reducing genital swelling is you want to target the abdomen. So target and do very broad sweeps around your belly button, starting small and then getting wider out from your left hip to your right hip. And that kind of kicks off the lymphatic flow. So dry skin brushing is a way of manually, very gently, enhancing the lymphatic flow in your abdomen and in the inguinal, which are the groin lymph nodes, to help flush the fluid that is staying stagnant that's causing genital swelling. And for many women, but particularly my men, it's not uncommon to have a very large scrotal sac and then also to have it hanging and even touching the middle of your thigh. Totally common for individuals that do have the genital swelling. It is even very common too to have the fiber, the tissue changes where the stagnancy of lymph fluid is causing some fibrosis. This lymphatic draining method using dry skin brushing is very effective. We're not going to necessarily get onto the area like the labial swelling or the scrotal swelling, but by enhancing and motivating the lymph draining in the abdomen, that's going to be step 1. Step 2 is to also incorporate homeopathy. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to be a subscriber because I talk about a lot of different swelling and just health and wellness related topics. But if you are not new, I apologize. I talk about Lymph Stim all the time. This is my homeopathic draining homeopathic medicine. It's the end all be all of every way of, it just harnesses the power of homeopathy to move and drain your lymphatics to help reduce the genital swelling and overall enhance the lymphatic flow in your whole body. That is going to be crucial therapeutically. It's going to vary per case, and if you want to work individually, I'd welcome that. But traditionally, therapeutic dosing is going to be 40 drops 4 times a day. I'll put that right here on the screen. Hugely beneficial, and you want to do that to really just as a maintenance course as well. Now, the third step are items that I actually sell in my clinic and sell online. It's a combination of compression shorts. So as a lymphatic therapist, one of my specialties is fitting for compression garments, fitting individuals for compression wraps, and really enhancing the use of compression therapy. So these little guys, these are what we call compression biker shorts. And you can kind of tell they're not pantyhose by any means. There's a thickness to them. And it's a 20-30 compression, and the material it's lightweight. You can see my finger in there, but we actually incorporate this to really enhance the improved flow down in the genital region. And so we're going to get compression all along this space. And so I'm going to flip this up. As you can see, this is going to be the area that we're really targeting. Now, depending on the situation, and I work with a ton of women who are getting plastic surgery, liposuction, belly, tummy tucks, lifts, everything. It's very common for those cases to have genital swelling, and the swelling can last for months. So we'll incorporate, this happens to be a genital pad for men, but I want to show you it's not thin by any means, but it's not overly thick, but it's a cotton, it's got special ridging, and the ridging, when we place this pad inside the shorts, and I'll demo this, but we place the pad, see it's inside the shorts. And essentially what this does is it gives compression. You can see here, it's giving compression to that area. So when you are sleeping and you're wearing these, when you're sitting, you're working, you're commuting, whatever, this is one of the best and actually most effective ways of using compression to flush fluid in that space. Now, it doesn't always reduce the cause of the swelling. There are some cases where we have lymphedema, where we're in a late stage 3, stage 4, that it is just exacerbated in the legs and the lower abdomen, but it's a management tool. For some of my individuals, this is a remedy. This can greatly reduce the swelling, reduce the size of the labial or scrotum swelling, and it just alleviates a lot of the pressure, the discomfort. For a lot of my men, where it seems like your penis disappears because of the swelling, will actually notice you have greater visibility of the penis shaft. So this is significant in terms of using genital pads. My female pads, the only difference is there's like kind of an insert here. So it's about the same on the front, and then it just tapers in the back. This is particularly focused for men to be able to support the scrotum and the testes that are often dealing with swelling. Many of my swollen prostate cases, my men with testicular cancer, prostate cancer, it's not uncommon for you to have swelling in the genital region. So I really hope that you'll test these out. A genital pad for men, this runs about $66.95. For women, that version is $44.45. I'll provide links down below if you want to buy them directly through my website. There are multiple sizes, so we fit them for your body. And it is a great adjunct and complement to dry skin brushing on a daily basis using the Lymph Stim homeopathically. And then also I'm going to give you a bonus because I just want you to have greater relief. That is so my purpose and intent in creating this video and just my channel overall. I've helped so many individuals with swelling and reduction of swelling and symptoms of all different health issues. And that's really my core mission. So my bonus for you is to incorporate magnesium. This happens to be Calm. It's a powdered magnesium. It's crucial. Magnesium deficiency is often, this is a powder version. Magnesium deficiency is a huge factor in terms of why we have some swelling reduction problems. But globally, particularly these 3 items, add in the magnesium, you're going to notice big changes in the swelling, and just your comfort is going to improve. So I hope you'll check that out. Any questions you have, message me below. If you want a private consult, I'll have some information at the end of this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to join our hashtag 40 Over the Rainbow contest all month long. I'm pulling daily winners. You might win a free 15-minute phone consultation with me, and I'd love to work with you. Have a great day.